Today, we're going to explore lyricstraining.com as a resource for English language learners in the classroom. It is an excellent tool that uses popular song lyrics to help students learn English. First, go to lyricstraining.com in your web browser. If you scroll down, you will see there are numerous songs to pick from. They are all popular and well-known, so students shouldn't have any trouble finding one that they want to use. We're going to do Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. Once you select a song, it will ask you to select a game mode. It has beginner, intermediate, advanced, and expert. For the purpose of this video, we will choose beginner. Once they're ready, have students press play to start the game. The lyrics for you to fill in will be down here at the bottom while the music video plays here. Up in the left-hand corner, it keeps track of your score. Gaps is how many you've gotten correct. Hits is how many you've done well. And fails is how many you've done wrong. Wait for the music video to start. And then, as it goes through the lyrics, it'll give you a second to fill in the blanks so students don't feel too rushed. Type it in time. And if you miss one, it'll pause and let you fill it in before it continues. And if you're not quite sure what it is, or if you get it wrong, the red bar up here keeps track of how long you have to fill it in before you're allowed to continue. This number keeps track of how many tries you have before you get it wrong as well. And if students get it wrong before this bar runs out, it'll pop up, ask them to continue the game, to retry, or quit. The entire song continues this way, and when students are finished, it will pop up with a screen that looks like this. Their final score, how many they got correct, how many they got incorrect, and their overall progress. And then they can even compare their scores with students worldwide, nationwide, or fellow classmates. It's an excellent resource for English language learners. It will help student engagement, there are many options, and it even has appropriate levels depending on how well they know English. Thank you.